How to play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that many Nintendo Switch Fortnite players have been curious about: split screen gameplay. Let's get started. Now, as many of you know, Fortnite introduced split screen gameplay a while back for platforms like PC, Xbox and PlayStation. But what about Nintendo Switch? Can you play split screen on it too? On the other platforms, simply connect the second controller assigned to an user or account, and immediately upon logging up on a Fortnite, you would find the option to connect the secondary controller and start playing split screen once you queue up. But unfortunately, it's not the same story for the Switch. Even with a secondary controller, whether it's another Joy or Pro controller, there is no such option to start split screen on the Switch. It's a bit disappointing. Now, why is that? Well, it could be due to the hardware limitations. The Switch might not be able to handle rendering two players at once. That's just speculation, but it makes sense. So as of now, split screen on Fortnite for the Nintendo Switch is a no-go. Unless we see a more powerful version of the Switch down the line, we might not see split screen anytime soon. I hope I was able to answer any questions you had about how to play split screen on Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.